Living in Carencro, Louisiana, means enjoying the best of southern charm and warm weather, but it also means dealing with seasonal challenges like humidity, heat, and occasional storms. Your windows are your home's first line of defense against these elements, keeping your interiors comfortable while adding beauty and value. To ensure your windows continue performing well year after year, regular seasonal maintenance is essential. With a few simple tasks each season, you can prevent costly repairs, improve energy efficiency, and extend the life of your windows. Here's a homeowner's guide to keeping your windows in top condition through every Carencro season. Spring. Deep cleaning and inspection. Spring in Carencro brings mild weather, perfect for giving your windows some much-needed attention after winter. Dust, pollen, and grime can accumulate on glass and frames, reducing visibility and efficiency. Spring maintenance checklist. Clean window glass and frames. Use a non-abrasive cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water to remove buildup. Don't forget to clean the inside tracks and sills where dirt tends to collect. Inspect for leaks or damage. Check for cracks in the glass, warping in frames, or loose seals. Louisiana's humidity can cause materials to expand and contract, leading to gaps that let air and moisture in. Lubricate moving parts. Apply silicone-based lubricant to hinges, locks, and tracks to ensure smooth operation. Replace worn weather stripping. Inspect rubber seals and weather stripping for wear or brittleness. Replacing these ensures your windows stay energy efficient as temperatures rise. By tackling these steps early in the year, you'll keep your home bright and ready for the warmer months ahead. Summer. Focus on energy efficiency and moisture control. Carencro summers can be hot and humid, putting your windows to the test. Proper maintenance can help keep your air conditioning bills low and prevent moisture-related problems like condensation or mold. Summer maintenance checklist. Check seals and caulking. Look around window edges for cracks or gaps. Reseal with weatherproof caulk to prevent hot air from entering and cool air from escaping. Monitor for condensation. If you notice moisture buildup between glass panes, your window's seal may have failed. Contact a professional for repair or replacement. Inspect window screens. Clean and check for tears or holes. Screens allow for ventilation while keeping pests out, especially important in Louisiana's warm months. Use shades or UV protective films. To reduce solar heat gain, install blinds or window films that reflect sunlight. This helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while protecting furniture from fading. Maintaining energy efficiency during the summer not only saves money but also keeps your home more comfortable when temperatures soar. Fall. Prepare for cooler weather as temperatures start to drop. Fall is the ideal time to prepare your home for winter. Even though Carencro's winters are mild compared to northern states, cool air leaks can still affect comfort and increase heating costs. Fall maintenance checklist. Inspect and clean gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up and leak into window frames. Keep them clear of leaves and debris. Test for drafts. Hold a lit candle or incense stick near your window edges. If the flame flickers, you may have an air leak that needs sealing. Repaint wooden frames if needed. Repainting helps protect against moisture damage and wood rot. Replace or clean drapes. Heavy curtains or thermal window coverings can add insulation during cooler nights. A little preventive care in the fall ensures your home stays cozy when winter arrives. Winter. Protect against moisture and condensation. While winters in Carencro are typically mild, cold fronts and wet weather can still pose challenges for your windows. Winter maintenance checklist. Check for interior condensation. Excess humidity inside your home can fog windows. Use a dehumidifier or open windows briefly to improve airflow. Inspect caulking and seals again. Cold weather can make materials contract, opening small gaps. Touch up caulking as needed. Clean and inspect exterior caulking. Rain and cold can deteriorate outdoor seals over time. ensuring proper sealing keeps water from seeping in. Plan for upgrades. Winter is a great time to evaluate your Windows performance. If you've noticed drafts, high energy bills, or visible wear, it may be time to schedule a window replacement before next spring. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners. Regular window maintenance is one of the simplest ways to protect your investment and keep your home comfortable year-round. By adjusting your maintenance routine each season, you'll prevent issues like air leaks, condensation, and energy waste, while keeping your home looking beautiful. And when the time comes to replace aging or inefficient windows, partnering with a local window replacement expert ensures you get the right products and installation for Louisiana's unique climate. With a little care each season, your windows can continue to provide clarity, comfort, and energy savings, no matter what the Carencro weather brings.